12 strategies for standing out in a competitive job market. To stand out in a competitive employment market, you'll need the perfect balance of education, experience, and abilities. For months, there were more unfilled positions than eligible candidates, and the unemployment rate. It's difficult to know what will help, what won't, and what you can genuinely influence now that the COVID-19 pandemic has turned our economy and social lives upside down. Seeing and hearing about friends, relatives, and neighbors losing their employment is upsetting. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Learning diverse tactics for standing out from the crowd will help you locate the perfect job. Here are a few pointers to consider as you hunt for a job in this increasingly competitive employment environment. 1. Improve your talents and emphasize your transferable abilities. If your intended industry isn't in great demand, look for talents that can be transferred to a new career. Economic downturns can sometimes create opportunities for further education and growth. 2. Search for part-time and contract jobs. While long-term roles and prospects may be scarce, search for work in high-demand areas with shorter-term opportunities. This will allow you to improve or expand your talents while still earning money. 3. Get a better education. A college diploma can help you make more money and qualify for more advanced professions. Many areas, such as banking and business, require candidates to have a degree, while many would take experience in lieu of one. Complete your bachelor's degree to set yourself apart from the competitors. 4. Develop your network. Build and leverage your network to ensure that you are getting in front of the right individuals for open positions. Companies frequently use references to recruit new employees, so job searchers can ask their networks whether anyone they know can connect them with relevant hiring managers. 5. Make sure your resume is updated and competitive. Because it gives potential employers insight into your capabilities, you should update your resume on a regular basis to incorporate your most recent skills and work experience. Customize your CV for each job application so that it highlights the experiences and talents that the employer is looking for. Remove any experiences that aren't relevant to the position you are applying to. 6. Build a professional online profile. Develop your professional profiles online, adding a professional headshot and making sure they're up to date with your employment experience, abilities, certifications, organizations, and education, as well as projects you've completed and accomplishments. Most employers will conduct an internet search of your name before calling you in for an interview, so be careful what you post on the internet. 7. Develop leadership abilities. The majority of firms seek employees with leadership abilities. Firms often seek for candidates with team-leading skills. Candidates who have a track record of employing their leadership skills in previous roles are more likely to stand out. 8. Keep up with market trends. Determine whether your abilities are current by identifying trends in various professional sectors that are relevant to your expertise and skills. To stay competitive in your sector, you may need to update them. Management and computer skills are two of the most important abilities. 9. Prepare for your interview. One of the best ways to set yourself apart from other applicants is to conduct thorough research about both the organization and the position you're looking for. Prepare a list of intelligent questions to ask the interviewer so you'll be prepared when they ask if you have any at the end. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you are enjoying this video. 10. Join professional organizations. Joining an industry-related professional organization will set you apart from your competition and provide you with the ability to network with others in your business. It will also provide you with access to the latest industry trends as well as direct information about new job openings. 11. Make use of a job board. Your CV can be accessed by hundreds of firms looking to source candidates and expand their key talent when you submit and apply for openings on a job board. This will also allow you to become aware of new opportunities that match your skill set and interests when they arise. 12. Have good references. While you will often not be asked for references when they're requested for, it's a good idea to have a list ready ahead of time. Include the names of former employers and coworkers you have personally worked with who can attest to your skill level and work ethic, if possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that you be notified anytime I upload a new video.